Hi there guys, and welcome to the watch channel. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful watch, which is the Citizen ProMaster Titanium BN0220-16E. As you can see, this is a square cased watch from Citizen and is an eco-drive model within their ProMaster range. So let's start off with the dimensions of this watch. We're looking basically at 46.5 mils across the way here, and you're looking at 14.3 mils in terms of thickness. As you can see there, we do have a heavily knurled crown and the ProMaster logo engraved on the crown as well. The case is rather unique, and I'll put some photos up for you so you can see. It's a titanium case, and it has Duratect protecting on it. So basically, Duratect, for those guys that don't know, is a coating that Citizen apply to their watches to make it super hard and scratch resistant. In my estimation and usage that I've had with Citizen watches with that coating, it is very, very good. It does stop most scratches, and you know, the everyday sort of desktop type scratches that you get are repelled quite easily. But the case is rather unique. It's, you know what, when I first saw the promotional pictures, I thought it was actually like a some kind of resin or a plastic, and you'd be forgiven for thinking it's plastic because it's quite a light watch, but it is actually titanium, and it has this bead blasted finish to it. In some respects it looks almost like concrete. Very unique, but like I say, it's, you know, quite sort of how would I say, grippy is probably the best word. And again, bearing in mind this is an ISO compliant dive watch, you know, I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. The ability for you to grab this watch with diving gloves on is, you know, I think is going to be very good. And as you can see there, that bezel is very easy to get a grip off with that heavy knurling on the side there. You can see that there is like a deep recessing with gold coloured engravings, and the dial there has applied gold markers and is deep filled with Citizen's lume. So, you know, it's going to be very, very good in the dark. Like I say, it is an eco-drive movement, so solar powered watch, and has a 6-month power reserve attached to it. Now, I sort of refer back to this square cased case. Yeah, rather unique, and you know, in some respects it looks like sort of the love child of a Bell & Ross, and especially with the dial, reminds me a little bit of a Seiko Marinemaster. Obviously it's got Citizen's styling there as well, but it looks like a sort of a, you know, a hybrid of all three of those brands, so Bell & Ross, Seiko and Citizen. And I mean no disrespect to Citizen in saying that. I think, you know, it's a fantastic watch. You know, first impressions for me, I was like, oh, this is a bit of an odd look, but I'll show you on the wrist. I think it fits really well for a 46mm case, and more it's grown on me. I really, really do like this watch. It does have a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and you can see there it does have a screw down case back, somewhat put off by the fact that it states assembled in China. The watch, like I say, with it being titanium, is very light, comes on this nice silicone strap, and there is a diver's extension that comes with it as well. Now, over here in Australia, Citizens do have a 5-year warranty, so, you know, this sort of watch, you know, not only because it's ISO compliant as a dive watch, but, you know, Citizen eco drives are well and truly tested, and ProMasters especially, you know, are going to give you worry-free wear for a significant period of time. While we're talking about supply of the watch and warranties and what have you, I do want to say thank you to starbuy.com.au for loaning us this watch. If you are interested in getting a hold of one of these or one of the other colourways, then please do visit the link in the description and support small business. Anyway guys, I'll put some pictures up for you so you can see the watch in greater detail, but other than that, I just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas again. I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year, and please click for notifications because there'll be more content coming soon. Alright guys, take care, speak soon, bye.